Good morning, children. Vande Mataram. Today we will do O sound rhyming words. So first we will start with O Y. O says O, Y says ya. O ya. Oi sound. Okay. So which is the first? Yes. B O Y. Boy. Boy. Boy means ladka. Okay. See, this is a boy. Now, next. Next is J O Y. Joy. Joy. Joy means happy. Now, the next is Toy. 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 Toy means खिलौना जो आप रोज खेलते हो ना जिसके साथ. It is toy. Now the next is Coy. That is koi. Koi. There are two meanings of koi. One is a one part of fish. एक fish आती है जिसको koi fish बोलते हैं. And the second is koi means like shy. आपको बहुत शर्म आती है ना, shy. That is koi. Okay, हम बोलते हैं ना she koi girl, koi boy. Okay, that is. So, which are the oi sound? B-O-Y boy, J-O-Y joy, T-O-Y toy, C-O-Y koi. See, all the ending sounds are same. O-Y, O-Y, O-Y. So, in the rhyming words, ending sounds are same. Boy, joy, toy, koi. Now we will do next word. Next is OX, ox sound. Which sound? Ox. Ox. First is B-O-X. Box. 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 Now see. That is a box. Now the next is P-O-X. Pox. P-O-X. Pox. What is pox, children? Pox is a viral disease producing a rash of pimple. Means वो आपके फेस के बॉडी के ऊपर पिंपल जैसा एक होता है. That is viral disease like chicken pox. Okay, that is pox. Now the next is F-O-X. Fox. Fox. You know the fox ना? हमने वो स्टोरी देखी है ना, The Goat and the Fox. That is a fox. Now the next is C-O-X. Cox. Cox. Okay, so these are box, pox, fox, cox. O-X sound words. Now we will do O-B sound. Ob. O-B, ob sound. So let's see which are the O-B ob sound. O-B ob. C-O-B. Cob. Cob. Cob means it is there are two means of cob. One is male swan. जो स्वान होता है ना उसमें जो मेल होता है बॉय, दैट इज कॉब. एंड द अदर मीनिंग इज कॉर्न कॉब. See here, I will see you picture corn cob. Okay. The next is job. J-O-B. J-O-B. Job. Job means काम. ये आपका काम है. It is your job. Now next is R-O-B. R-O-B. Rob. Read again. Rob. R-O-B. Rob. What is rob? Rob means चोर जो होता है ना, जो चोरी करता है. You know that चोर? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Rob. Now the next is M-O-B. M says M-O-B. Mob. What is mob? Mob यानी जहाँ पे बहुत सारे people होते हैं, बहुत crowd होता है ना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Mob. And here I have one more word for you, that is S-O-B. S-O-B. Sob. What is sob? Children, मुझे अब भी याद आया कि ये sob आपको पढ़ाना चाहिए. Do you know why? Because sob meaning is cry noisily, यानी ज़ोर ज़ोर से जो आप रोते हो ना, आवाज़ कर करके वाह वाह, that is sob. Okay? Again, read again with me. O-B, ob sound. C-O-B, cob. S-O-B, sob. J-O-B, job. R-O-B, rob. M-O-B, mob. These are O-B, ob sound. So here we completed our O sound rhyming words.